I chose a children's story for my crash project. Oh. Why can't you say moo? Questioned Billy the boasting cow. I'll try, replied Ope, the oddball of the cow herd. Quack were the words that came out of Ope's mouth. He was the only cow who couldn't say moo. Other cattle teased Ope about the fact he couldn't say moo, yet he could say quack, cock-a-doodle-doo, or neigh. Eventually, Ope began to be odd to other cows. Ope would get teased every day. He was living in misery. One day, the cow council declared that all cows must be able to say moo. Ope panicked, and before he knew it, he was no longer living with the cows. After days of wandering, Ope found ducks. He felt regular for the first time, although he wanted to find another home to prove to the cows he wasn't odd. Then he found chickens. He lived with the chickens for a few days. This could have been enough to prove to the cows, but Ope didn't want to take that chance. The next day, he set off to find another shelter. It was not long before Ope found horses and started living with them. This would tell the cows he was living with animals close to his size. Ope felt like he was fitting in with other farm animals. The next day, when Ope set off to prove to the cows he wasn't odd, he realized he didn't need them. He lived with various animals other cows wouldn't dream of. Ope may be the odd one out, but that's not a bad thing. That means he's unique, unlike Bill the Boaster and the other cows who lived out their lives as ordinary farm animals. And when those people looked back on their lives, they realized it could have been like Ope's.